Let's explore some essential PHP string functions. In this video, we'll focus on trim and pad operations. We'll cover the trim, ltrim, rtrim, and *_pad functions. These functions are very useful for cleaning and formatting strings in PHP. The trim function is used to remove whitespace and other specified characters from both the beginning and the end of a string. Here's an example. We start with a string variable called text, which contains hello world with leading and trailing spaces. When we apply the trim function to the text variable and assign the result to a variable called cleaned, the leading and trailing spaces are removed. The first echo statement displays the original string, including the spaces. The second echo statement displays the cleaned string, without the leading and trailing spaces. The ltrim function is similar to trim, but it specifically removes whitespace or other characters from the left side, or the beginning of a string. Consider this example. The text variable is assigned a string with leading and trailing spaces, hello world. When we use ltrim on this text and store the result in a variable called left_trimmed, only the spaces on the left side are removed. The first echo statement shows the original string with spaces on both sides. The second echo statement shows the modified string where only the left side spaces are removed. The rtrim function removes whitespace or other specified characters from the right side, or the end of a string. Here's how it works. We begin with a string hello world, assigned to the text variable, which has spaces on both the left and right sides. The rtrim function is then applied to this string, with the result stored in a variable called rtrimmed. The first echo statement displays the original string, which includes the spaces on both ends. The second echo statement then prints the modified string, where the spaces on the right side have been removed, but the spaces on the left remain. The trim, ltrim, and rtrim functions are not limited to removing whitespace. You can also specify particular characters to be removed from the string. Let's see how. The text variable holds the string, hello world. The first trim function removes the dot characters from both ends of the string, resulting in hello world. The second trim function removes both dot and exclamation point characters from both ends, giving us hello world. The ltrim function, in this case, removes only the dot characters from the left side, so the result is hello world. The rtrim function removes only the exclamation point characters from the right side, resulting in hello world. The *_pad function allows you to pad a string to a certain length by adding another string to either the left, right, or both sides. Let's examine the following code. We start with a string hello assigned to the text variable. We then use *_pad to increase the length of the string to 10 characters. Since no padding character is specified, it defaults to spaces, and the padding is added to the right side. The first echo statement displays the original string hello. The second echo statement displays the padded string hello followed by 5 spaces, making a total length of 10 characters. With the *_pad function, you can control the direction in which the padding is applied using the constants *_pad_right, *_pad_left, and *_pad_both. Here's how. The variable text is assigned the string hi. The first *_pad function call pads the string on the right with asterisks until it reaches a length of 6 characters, resulting in hi followed by 4 asterisks. The second call pads the string on the left with asterisks, so we get 4 asterisks followed by hi. The third call pads the string on both sides with asterisks, which results in 2 asterisks, followed by hi, followed by 2 more asterisks. Let's look at some practical applications of these string functions. To clean user input, you can use the trim function to remove any leading or trailing whitespace from user-submitted data, such as an email address. To format table columns, the *_pad function can be used to ensure that IDs or numbers have a consistent length, padding them with zeros on the left if necessary. Finally, to remove file extensions, The rtrim function can be used to remove a known extension, such as .txt, from a file name. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.